Our next eminent speaker is Chester Clyde Williams, the Commissioner of Police from the Department of Belize. In his previous appointment as Superintendent Commissioner, Williams was the head of Crimes Investigation Branch. I welcome him to Jalsa Salana and request him to come and say a few words.
Pleasant evening, one and all. Your Holiness, invited guests, I must say that it is indeed an honor and privilege to have been invited here to do a presentation. I want to say that we live in a changing world, a world where we see many of our young people have developed a propensity for violence. And while this is occurring, we see a number of the more older persons being more focused, trying to gather wealth. As a society, we all owe a debt of gratitude to humanity. And in this life, we will never be defined by what we own or by the wealth that we gather, but rather by the character that we build. And the character that we build can only be built by what we do for others and not by what we do for ourselves. And so I want to say that when I look at the work that the Ahmadiyya Muslim is doing in my community, I want to say to them that they have contributed significantly to the development of young persons. You see, if we don't focus on young persons today, then the world will only become more violent. And so we must ensure that whatever we do, it must be built around towards making our young people better. Oftentimes, people begin to spread propaganda about Muslims, but it is by no coincidence that the Muslim religion is growing, because they are ensuring that they reach out to young persons. They don't depend on young persons to come to the mosque. They go out in the community and reach out to the people. And that is what we want other religions to do. We cannot sit on the side and expect that the world will become the peaceful place that we want it to be. We must work towards making that. And I want to end by saying that the Ahmadiyya Muslim personifies love, peace, and all that the world should be. With that said, have a good day, and may the good Lord continue to bless each and every one of us.